Before we get into this Bitcoin update, make sure you follow me over on Twitter. I've been dropping so much alpha there at the moment, been revealing all my personal cryptos that I'm looking to over 100x. Thank you for 3.3k followers. Let's try and hit 3.5k in the next month or so. This is a post where we actually called the Bitcoin bottom exactly on the 1st of May, which we will talk about later on in the video. But as you can see, it worked its way up, reclaimed that 59k, and that was the moment I said the bottom is 100% confirmed as long as we stay above 59k. The rest is pretty much history. I've also mentioned a whole bunch of my coins, as I said, so go check them out on all the other posts on the Twitter profile. Welcome back, everyone. A nice quick Bitcoin update for you today. Before we get in, please don't forget to support the channel. We're on the road to 10k, so if you could subscribe and like, it'll bump up the algorithm. Now, we have a bullish cross on the daily time frame. This is a signal to everyone. You should be buying alts because this doesn't come too often. It comes when we have completed a correction. As you can see, a few months of sideways / down for the alts. We've now reclaimed a loss low, 59k, right there. This is exactly where I called the bottom. If you go back to my video on the 1st of May, where I made a video with the title of "They do not want you to believe in $100,000 per Bitcoin." And now it's all the way down over here at 56,000, which we made that video. Since then, and in the following videos, we called the bottom and said that the bottom will be maintained and that we will put in a new all-time high as long as 59k, the reclaimed previous lost low, stays now as support. We created the high low over here, and this is an inverse head and shoulders, which led to the breakout and the bullish cross once breaking through this resistance, putting in a new higher high. So starting the formation of an uptrend. Here was a high, here was a low. Now we've got a higher low and a higher high. So the next low should in fact be above the newly formed bullish cross. As you can see, the 55 is now above the 0.5 Fibonacci. The 20 is at the 618. So as this is the resistance that we just broke, I would love for Bitcoin to just bounce from here. But it would be totally fine with Bitcoin returning to 64k. This is something that I already mentioned earlier on in the week in the Discord community. So they've been aware, look, Bitcoin is fine dumping to 64k. We're not calling for 64k, but even if it gets down there, we've got a lot of support in the way. Equally, losing this, all that truly matters is 56k and 59k. We are nowhere near that price valuation now. Look at the rise since I called it from all the way down over here. Absolutely incredible. So going forward, as long as Bitcoin maintains this whole area, we are looking for a new all-time high, with the next technical targets being 75, 80, and 85k per Bitcoin. Make sure you use this time to get into some altcoins. I've actually mentioned a whole bunch on my Twitter, so go check out my Twitter. All the links you need, whether you want to do one-on-one mentorship with myself to become a self-sufficient trader, whether you want to do it in your own time. I've got an ebook that's only £30. As members, you do get it for 20. As a member of the Discord community, you get multiple discounts on all my offers. But also check out the Twitter, links down below. I've shared a whole bunch of my cryptos over there, getting you ready for the next altcoin season. Check it out. Cheers, everyone. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.